Okay, I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about the sampler quilt layout. So once you've made all your blocks, you're going to be ready to actually put them into the layout. And in the layout instructions, there's full instructions on how to cut the sashing. And these pieces are what we call sashing, and how to cut cornerstones. And these are what we're calling cornerstones. Once you've got it all together, I would then measure what you have. And again, this is important. Measure what your quilt measurements come out at. So you're going to measure through the middle, you're going to measure across, and you're going to take an average and you're going to cut your borders to fit your quilt. Not my quilt or what it says in the instructions, to fit your quilt. And that way it will fall perfectly.